What up, what up, what up? So I'm gonna show you how useful macro key is. If you know what that is, it's on my keyboard, which is part of the gaming keyboard. You see macro keys, which is these extra buttons on the keyboard. And what's so useful about it is you can assign each button in of the micro button with one button of the shortcut keys. So for example, if you use shortcut keys like Control F, Control C, Control V for copy and paste and all this, with the micro keys is instead of using two buttons or three buttons to do a simple task, you can simply use these micro keys and set it up in one button. So for example, if I want to use Control F to find something, it's instead of using two buttons, you use the micro keys, and you could assign each of the button, and it'll be all in one button. So let's look at, for example, so let me set up my micro key. So I click add, and it'll say record on the new macro. So I'll click record, and I type in which button do I want to assign. So I put Control F, and then click stop right here. And then it'll say right here that it recorded the buttons that I pick, and it said Control F. So now, since I got this set up, I put the, hold on, let me make it clear. You could change the name also. I'll put find so that I can use as a reminder, find. And I'll just drag this. And put it on which button of the micro button I want to use. So I'm gonna put it on 5, micro key button 5. Since now it's set up on 5, it'll be on this button right here. So basically, I just turn the Control F into a one button, and that's what it's used for. So let's see if it works right here. So if I'm gonna press F, and I'll hold up. Hold on a second. Let me make sure if it's on F. Okay, it's on F. Okay. Alright, so let me use this for example here. So I'm in a browser, so I press F, and voila, it's still the find button. So I press F, and boom. So that's what it is. It turns into one button, and it's useful for programming because we rely on shortcut keys to open our tasks, and these gaming keyboards is very useful to make your job easier in productivity, turning all your favorite shortcut keys you use in browsers and development and programming into one button. And what I like about it is with the micro keys also is you could make a color of it. So you could change it to different colors of the micro button. And I always use the colors that match the software I use. Like for example, this one is white, so I change it white. When I see the color white, it will remind me of this icon, which is the Unity button right here. So I put the color white for a reason, to remember that this button is used for Unity programs that I use to perform simple tasks using shortcut keys with micro keys and stuff like that. So yeah, that's basically all I want to show, and thank you guys for watching. Hope you found this useful, and deuces.